Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. Right, so as you can see, we are at my old place in town. Bill and Kerry reached out and wanted us to help fix it up. Long time followers of the channel, believe it or not. So they've had an owner before. We sold it to someone else and they've taken it over in the last 6 to 12 months. I can't remember exactly what, I think it's 12 months. So just for Bill's sake, it wasn't Bill that did this to the lawn. But let's have a look. So we're gonna do a full-on series here and fix this lawn up and try to bring it to its former glory. So if you guys remember, we used to have ryegrass here. I think I did like 400 YouTube videos at this place. So this is pretty surreal walking through here. So as you can see, it looks a little bit different. Bill's got a nice big shed here. Man, this is a throwback. But as you can see, the ryegrass is still here, which is pretty, like, good on it. We had a few droughts, not a lot going on with that, and obviously the previous owner didn't water it that much, so a lot of it would have died out. Bill said he's been on top of the weeds and spraying them, but we're in the middle of August now, so there's not much we can do, but the thought process is we're probably gonna overseed this area. Well, Bill's gonna spray everything back. So we're a bit in that trying to decide what to do stage. There's a bit of good grass here, but a lot of not so great grass. We've got some rye, as I said. We've got some poa, a little bit of poa here, so winter grass. We've got a little bit of, what is that, Josh?
Yeah, exhaust, yeah.
So we need to get on top of getting rid of all this stuff. Oh, a little bit of dandelions.
It's a dandelion. It's the last one of the season.
Basically an overhaul of this yard. So Bill's been fixing up the irrigation because obviously got a nice big chunky shed just here, which I wish I had that when I was here. How good is that? But the lawn. So he's just going through and fixing up some irrigation. And there's also some drainage issues, and I did have a few of these issues when I was here too. So it pulls up a little bit around the clothesline from memory. Bill's doing a bit of drainage just here. So it's gonna be a full-on series. So if we're gonna run here like pretty regularly once we get things up and going, at least, I don't know, we'll see how things pan out, but at least every 1 to 2 weeks we'll come here, probably twice a month, I'd say. Yeah. Probably come here and do it. That's all we really need to do. We might be here more regularly once we actually oversow it and get started on things. So grass type wise, we're thinking going ryegrass and some Kentucky bluegrass. We're gonna add some Kentucky bluegrass there to really help just fill in bare areas, because ryegrass, if you ever had ryegrass before, you know once it's dead and it doesn't really come back. Now, obviously some of it's come back and germinated in some areas. I'm surprised to see how much is here still, really, like that SR 4660 and 4650, I think. Still got a beautiful colour, like, and we're in the middle of winter, but there's just a ton of other weeds around, which, you know, it is what it is, but it's cool to see, man. Like, it's so weird walking back in here. I've also got to get rid of some cooch. I don't know where the cooch has come from. Some cooch here, because the neighbours have got kike, which used to always creep in and cause a little bit of a problem, but we have to get on top of that, which we can't do until probably August. And then we've also got some kike that's creeped in like all around here, so that's obviously come from over there over time, because I never really had kike here in these spots when I was living here. It would be, how many years ago was I living here? It'd be 4 years now since I moved out. Bro, that is crazy. But yeah, so we'll have to deal with this too. So as we said, Bill's gonna like glyphosate the whole area, get rid of all the existing lawn, but this won't die out until probably September. So we'll have to spray this because it's currently dormant, and glyphosate won't have any impact on it when it's this dormant. So here's the old tiff tuff. Sorry to interrupt the video, just got a quick word from our sponsor. We all have a mate like Jeff. Loves his lawn, loves showing off, and every time he invites you over for a barbecue, he won't shut up. And he never tells you his secrets. Well, now you don't have to ask him anymore. We've got a solution for you. Grab yourself some of our Lawn Tips fertilizers, herbicides, or check out our customized lawn plans on our website. And if that's not enough, here at Lawn Tips, we have 3 qualified greenkeepers too to help with any lawn question you have. So head over to lawntips.net for all the tips and advice, and soon enough, Jeff will be coming to you for some lawn advice. Back to the video. Here's the old tiff tuff that I had here, which we had a green. I remember one year we oversowed it with ryegrass and then bent grass around here. Actually spotted some bent grass here earlier. Really? Come over here, yeah. Still some bent grass coming up. No way. So, just here. See that?
Oh, it is too.
It's some old bent. So that's when I oversowed this. Oh, it's rooted down there too, as well. Yeah, there's a bit of bent everywhere.
It's lovely.
So yeah, that's just happened because when you put ryegrass down, sometimes some of it will just come back up following years later because some seed didn't, because there's some So yeah, we oversowed this, as I said, with bent and the ryegrass. So that sometimes can happen. You'll have it come back following years if you don't put pre-emergent out, because there's still some seed down in the soil, so it's just popping up through. Pretty easy fix though, but I was talking to Bill and we may just come and do like a mini reno on this, just scalp it back and just get it looking tidy. We're not going to work too much on this because the Tiff Tuff seriously doesn't require much work. Like, it's looking pretty good. That's a good thing about like cooch or Tiff Tuff in like a climate where you're not getting a ton of rain throughout the year. It's gonna be pretty hardy and stay pretty thick and lush and choke most weeds out too. Bruh, how good is that? Still a cup here or what? Yeah, I think there's still a cup there.
Yeah, there is too. Jeez, it's just overgrown.
No golf balls. It's like a pair of ripped undies. No, I think we'll replace that for them. If they want to keep it. I don't know. Anyway, we just wanted to show you guys that we're going to be doing a series here very soon. Hopefully you guys look forward to it. It's kind of weird being back here.
Take it back.
Isn't it, mate?
Not that weird for me.
Anyway, we probably won't be doing any videos here until October, but keep an eye out on the YouTube channel. We may come in and help with a bit of irrigation. I'm not sure yet. Depends on how things pan out, but looking forward to it. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Appreciate yous, and we'll see you in the next vid. Bye. Bye. Bye.